So in this video, guys, if you haven't been flying this drone for very long, don't even bother trying this. I would say it's more for the experience thing, because what we're going to do, we're going to put this into point of interest, and when you put it into point of interest, it's going to knock off the avoidance, which will mean if we're flying around something, if you don't watch what you're doing, it's like you're going to crash the drone. So be warned. Anyway, in this one, we're going to put it in point of interest. Now, one of the things that I hate is the frame rate. Now, I always have mine in 1080/60, but for this, you've got to drop it down to 30 frames, which is fine, but it's a bit annoying for me because I always like 60 frames. But anyway, what I love about this is obviously once you put it into point of interest, you put it on, you can move it onto the circle, and as it's going around, the camera will focus on to the point that you picked. But I don't know if you know this, but you can mess about with the left and right stick. Obviously the left one is going up and down, and the right one is for making it go faster. So you see what I'm on about. But first we got to get the drone up. What we're going to do, we're going to set up my point of interest, which is that mine shaft there. Okay. Right. So there it is. Now, if you notice at the bottom, I've got it on 1080 30 frames. So if I just put it around that. Okay. Right, I'm just going to move my screensaver a minute because it's in the way. So put that over there. Point of interest. Well, it already warns you that the avoidance will be turned off. So obviously that's fair enough. We've got it on slow at the moment. I'll just speed it up a little bit. So at the moment, I'm not doing nothing. The drone's doing all. And I just want to do like a complete circle, and we just see by putting on the video as well what the height is first. I think I've got plenty of range there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring the drone in a little bit by pushing that stick forward. Okay, that's enough. So I'm already using my right stick there. Hopefully you can see all this. It's always very difficult trying to get the video right to give you some idea. Now I'm seeing the drone coming around now. It's coming around the back. Nice and clear of everything. So I've got it about the right height. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to speed it up with a stick by putting that to the right. As you can see now, it's going around nice and fast. Okay, I'm going to bring it up. Okay, bring it around again. I'm going to bring it down a little bit. Okay. I'm going to bring it out now. Make the circle a little bit bigger. Okay, what we're going to do now, we're going to stop it there, and I'm going to bring it round the other way. Okay, so it's going a bit too fast, so I'm going to slow it down a little bit. Okay. Because what it is, I want to see if I drop it down a bit. Okay. Bring it in a bit. Because it's still going round, So now, hopefully you're getting the gist of this. So by messing about with this, you can alter the height. I mean, like anything else, it's all about experimenting with it. And if I bring it, still going around there. Okay, bring it up a bit. So what we could do, we're going to bring it in a little bit tighter now. We could bring it in a bit tighter by pushing it in a bit. Okay, getting in a bit more tighter there. Going around it. And we're going to speed it up a bit. Okay, so to stop this, you just press the stop, and that's it. So, hope you found that interesting. I'm going to bring the drone back in now.